welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to take a minute and say hi and thank you for all your support, and to introduce myself to the new subscribers. My name is Emily, and in this channel I talk about my cactus and my succulents and my dog Max. In this channel I talk about I share my experiences with my succulents and cacti with you guys. I take risks in some plants and just see what works and what doesn't, and share it with you guys, as well as you guys sharing information with me. We learn together, and that's what I like doing. I really enjoy reading comments down below from you guys, and I just want to say thank you and welcome to the new subscriber, and thank you so much for all the ones that have been following me for a very, very long time. I appreciate you guys. Let's get to the video. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how I cut into this and turn it into a planter. I'm going to use a Dremel. Make sure to wear safety goggles. This is a Dremel tool and it works very good. This material sounds like plastic to me, so I already knew when I purchased it that I can cut into it. So I'm just going to show you guys. I'm going to fast forward this and play some music for you guys as well. So let's get to it. I don't bring it towards my hand. Don't ever bring it towards your hand, because it's very easy to slip and go to your hand away. So as you can see, I just turned it around and started doing it the other way, okay? Now guys, I'm gonna change the Dremel tool here. For this one. This one's gonna smooth things out. It's a little bit worn down, but I don't know how to change the other part, so hopefully this will work. And now I'm just gonna smooth it out. Okay, I'm all done smoothing that out. It looks pretty good. You guys don't have to do it as much as I did. I'm just like that. Since I can, I will. I'm just gonna rinse this up real quick, all this, and then actually, let me not. I'm actually gonna go ahead and open this hole a little bit bigger. Okay, so you guys, so I'm ready to pot up some plants. I already had initial plans of using cactus in this one mixed with other succulents. I am taking a risk because this is not going to be inside the greenhouse. It will be exposed to the elements, but I'm okay with that. I made that decision already. So yeah, let's see what happens. As usual, I have in here the Miracle Grow soil with turfus in it. It's a beautiful Sunday here. Very nice weather. And these cactuses that I'm using have been out here already, out in the open, getting rain and all kinds of up and down temperatures. So we'll see how, it works out. Okay, let's see if that's gonna work. Gotta push the soil in there around all the sides. It's gonna be a lot of shaking, guys, because the way I had to rig the tripod today, it is right next to my hand or my arm, and I'm gonna continue to bump it. Whatever, they just have to deal with each other. Maybe it's that plant that's throwing it off. Cute little golden looking barrel right here. So cute. This doesn't hurt at all. Feels like it's just a brush, but it needs to go a little bit lower. Okay. You need to be lifted up higher. No, I don't like it. I don't like this one there. I just can't. I have to figure out something else for that side. Okay. Succulent over here. Let's see if I can prevent her from getting poked by this guy. So I'm just gonna let her hang out like this. I just lost it. Where did it go? It rolled underneath. Okay, that's good. I like it. I like her coming out like that. Cool. And now I'm just gonna figure out something for that one spot there. I gotta go look at my my little babies growing. Hold on. Okay, I think I got it. I think this is a California sunset that I propagated. I think it will look good there. Let's try it out. Yeah, that's good. And it looks super cute. I like it. Let me dress up and show you guys what it looks like. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Have a blessed day, guys.